Hi guys, in this class we will discuss PHP problem that is related to function. You know that function is very important concept in any programming language. Same like we used function in PHP programming language. So this is a problem related to function. Write a PHP program to find addition, subtraction, division and multiplication using function. Actually, these talks for the beginners who want to improve PHP programming skill. Just I want to say this file. This is a chapter number 9, but this problem statement is related to chapter number 9. And then problem, this is a problem number 1 and PHP. So I need to get a HTML basic structure. HTML5 basic structure is its title. I want to change chapter 9 to problem number 1. So I have to get a comment section to cut paste here, and then inside PHP tag I need to create a function. So in PHP you can create function using this function command, and then function name is, for example, math. Function name is math, and this is a parenthesis. You can pass any argument when required, and then inside the function body I can display anything else, for example, hello. Just check whether it is working or not. This is a chapter number A9. Just refresh this one, chapter 9 problem 1. You will see that after creating function you have to call that function just math semicolon. This is a calling of function. Just save this one. Hello is displaying here. It means that this code working fine, function is also working fine. Now using function I have to find arithmetic operations of two number, for example. So I have to pass argument a and b, see the two variable. So inside the body of the function I have to find addition of two number, for example a plus b equal to concatenate with the result a plus b. Just put a dollar sign and then enclose in a parenthesis. You can see that when you call that function you need to pass their values, for example 3 and 5. This 3 will be saved in a variable, this 5 will be stored in b variable, and their value using inside the function body. This is addition actually. Just refresh this one. You can see that a plus b equal 8 because 3 plus 5 become 8. Same like I can perform a subtraction process, a minus b. Just save this file, refresh this one. You can see a minus b minus 2, and then I need to echo and get a line break. HTML tag you can use inside PHP easily. Refresh this one. I need to just display what is value of a and what is value of b. Just dot symbol a, echo, line break, and echo. This is a b and then b value. Now refresh this one. A value 3, b value 5, but again I need to get a line break after this one and refresh. You can see that working fine. Just I need to copy and paste here. For multiplication, put this static symbol here, use a static symbol. Again for division, just change this symbol to division also from here, and then refresh. You can see that a value 3, b value 5, their addition, their subtraction, their multiplication, and their division. So this is a problem solution. Using function we have solved this problem. How you can find subtraction, addition, division, multiplication using function. So you can get these two number from user. How you can get using HTML form. So for method I have already discussed with you in chapter number 7 and other chapters when we get different number, different text from user to perform different operations. Same like you can get these two number from user using HTML form, then it will work dynamically. This is a problem solution. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.